like Christmas.
Okay.
There we go.
It looks like a book.
And this is the new product.
We have a book.
Anxious. I'm excited to see this.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh my, this is very, very nice.
Awesome.
Wow. The feel of it and the look of it is first class.
So much better than the cloth-bound book.
It's taken it to a different level.
I love the feeling of this. It looks like cloth.
It looks just like cloth.
It's hard to believe it's not cloth.
It feels like a offset run of a hardback book that you would get if you were printing 50,000 units of it.
It's
Look
got
at the
a
gold
very-
on the spine. Is that beautiful or what?
Yeah. It has much more of a sophistication to it.
I prefer this over any traditional cloth binding.
This is taking it to the 21st century. It's like, where has this been?
I like this.
You know?
Can you imagine this in our shows, how they would stand out
yeah.
and how many people would grab this just to feel the cover?
I can't wait to see what comes next because I know that this is just the beginning.
It's amazing to think that in the future, this could be, identical to what the jacket cover is.
These would be beautiful in your library.
Can I take this home? Because I really like this.
I would have never thought of this. What a fantastic idea.
Wait till you see this.
This is a win-win for everyone. I love this. I know my authors will love this.
I'm in.